There and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these air fryer chickpeas right in your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi. This is a great plant-based snack and they come out nice and crispy, so it's just a good little snack to have during the day. So the first thing you are going to need are a few ingredients. You'll need a 16-ounce can of chickpeas. These are going to be found just in the canned good beans aisle. They're also called garbanzo beans. Don't kill me if I'm mispronouncing that. Then you're going to need cooking oil spray of choice, such as avocado or grapeseed, and 2 teaspoons of seasoning of your choice. So this is all you're going to need to make these air fryer chickpeas. The first thing you need to do is rinse and drain the chickpeas, then add them to a bowl, and then you can spray them with the oil of your choice and season them with the seasoning. So you're going to do that in this bowl. So I used a no salt added garlic and herb seasoning. And then most people like to use like grapeseed oil to spray these. I personally do like olive oil spray, but it doesn't have a real high smoke point. So I know most people are a little leery of using that in an air fryer. Grapeseed is a great alternative to that. So once you get done with that, you're going to evenly add these to the air fryer and cook them at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. So I'm just evenly adding those. Now, if you preheat your air fryer, you want to cut the cook time probably in half. So once these are in the air fryer, go ahead and check them after about 8 minutes just to be sure they're cooking up nicely. You can also add some additional spray at that point if you want to as well. So this is what they look like. After 8 minutes, they're starting to get brown and crispy on the outside. And then after the full 12 minutes, you're ready to serve them. So here are a few variations. You can do a variety of seasonings to these. So you could do lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic herb. There's so many options with these. You can really do any flavor that you're looking for. So these make a great little snack. They're nice and crispy on the outside, and they're perfect just kind of to grab and go throughout the day. And they're plant-based, and for us, they're gluten-free as well, so that's a great option too. So these easy air fryer chickpeas are going to be found over on my website, airfryerfanatics.com, and then you can find even more at mommyhatescooking.com. Please be sure to like and subscribe to this video so that you do not miss the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in to this recipe today for air fryer chickpeas.